Hello, guys. Can you see this girl? She's so beautiful and she loves her hairstyle so much. And do you know what? She saw this hairstyle on Google and said, Mommy, I want this hairstyle for school. And I say, What? This is a feed-in cornrow, and I'm not so good at cornrow. But before the wahala start, kindly like, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our next videos. So I am braid her hair, comb it, and then cream everything, and then I started pattern. So here I divided it into 4. Yes, I was so confident. I want to do something for this girl so that she'll look pretty for school. So I started by patting the hair. Oh, this is where the wahala starts. Hey, see me cornrowing and about to feed in. I don't even know where to even start with the braids. I've been watching some videos on it, but have not practiced it on their hair, so it was so difficult. But I said, okay, I will try. So this is me. I started. Can you see what I am doing? I'm doing it gently, so that I will not miss. So this video took about my phone memory was even full because I was taking long to braid. So I have to edit, remove some, and show you some part. Okay, so here, that's the second braid I've added to, and see the way I am moving so slowly. And I was braiding. So when I finish with the feeding and then I'm braiding a normal cornrow, it's a little bit easier for me. But the problem was the feed in. Okay, guys. So I was doing my part. I want her to be happy. And so as you can see now, it's moving fast because I'm done with the feed in. So this is the first part, and then I started with the second part. I think I used a longer braid, so I wasn't so comfortable using it. What do you think? And please, if you have any tips on it, you can also give it to me. Comment in the comment section for me to know how to do it, and I'll appreciate that too. Thank you. So this is the second braid. You see the way I'm struggling with the braids, but I said I would do it. So there was a little crisscross in the style, and hi, it was so difficult. Yes, so but I have to do it for her. So I tried my best. Not so comfortable, and at this point I was so tired. I said, oh, should I even continue this hairstyle or should I stop? I said, oh, okay, but I've started, so let me keep on trying. So I keep trying. So here is the crisscross. I'm done with the first portion, and then here I'll cross it over. And see the way I'm throwing my braids. It was so not so good, but I tried. See my face and my mouth. Picking the braids, and my back was hurting. And see her, she is busy with the phone. And I think I was even hurting her scalp a little, because for me to grab the braid with her hair, I've not done that before, so I think I was stressing on her hair. But because of the phone, she was so okay. She didn't say anything, and I was just doing my thing. Yeah, so this is the crisscross I'm talking about. So I was able to manage it with the crisscross, and so that's how it looks like. So I continue braiding, braiding, braiding. Please watch to the end and kindly give me some tips, because I think I need something from you. Please, mothers there, if you know how to braid, what I did right, what I didn't do well, you can please educate me, give me some tips so that next time I'll be able to do more. Okay? Yeah. So thank you so much for the feedback. I appreciate it so much. So here is me, hairdresser Deborah Osei. Yeah, so I'm still pressing on, still pressing on. So if you're a beginner here and you have kids like mine, and you are trying hard to learn how to do it, keep on, press on. Okay, if you have dolls that have hair, you can use it to practice, and the more you do it, you'll be able to get it. Even if your child, you sit the person down and you try, you just do it, even for just 1 week, and it will last. It's okay. And the more you braid, the more you braid, the more you get it. Okay, so that's me. I'm done with the other part, and I'm doing the other parts too, and it's kind of the same. Yeah, it's the same part, the same style. Yeah, so I was so tired, my back was so hurting. Oh, but I said I would try this time with the feeding. So the hair is not looking, I don't know. What do you think? Up to this section, how do you think, yeah, about the hair? Is it looking good? Comment in the comment section below for me to know how it's going, okay? So it was taking so long for me to even complete one braid. So I have to do some off camera. Yeah, so this is the real thing. Yeah, it's not editing. Yeah, this one is the real thing. But I have to just cut it so that it will be short. Else, it will take a long time for us to make this hairstyle. Yeah, so I'm almost done with it. So I made this out of camera, yeah, behind the camera. So I'm done with one portion, and then I'm moving to the next. So we are almost there. And at this point, I was so proud of myself. I say, hey, I've done something for her. Okay, then I have to finish. So I'm on the finish line, and then I keep on braiding, 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 and so please, hairdressers, people, those of you who know how to do the feeding, are you there? Please help a sister. Give me the tips. Give me the guidelines, okay, in the comment section. And I will read them, I will learn from it, and do more videos on it and how it's going, okay? Yeah. So thank you so much. If you like what I'm doing, kindly hit the subscribe button, and also like, share our videos. Comments are also welcome. So see here. Oh, I was throwing the hair somewhere. It was tangled. Can you see it? Yeah. So difficult for me. Wahala day. So difficult for me. Yeah. But I tried. So here I was so confused. I didn't know what to do. Which one should I pick? Oh, I was so confused. So I have to cut the camera and then do things out off camera. So here, see me. Was not so good. Was not so good. Yeah. So I just say, what am I doing? I'm confused. Oh my God. So I cut it and then I have to do it off camera. Yeah. So what should I have done when the hair was tangled? So drop your comment in the comment section, mothers, and also people who have help. You can also help me. So here I managed to get to the final braid and see my face. I look so tired. Oh, my back was hurting for like 3 to 4 hours on this particular braid. I was tired, guys. Wahala for me. This is the wahala I'm talking about. Oh, it was so hectic, but with God's grace, I was able to do it. And this is how your girl was looking after. How do you see this hairstyle? Was it good? Did I try? Drop your comment in the comment section and see you in our next video. We love you. God bless you and have a lovely day. Bye.